Hello viewers, this is the second set of 6000 MCQ series. So let's start. Question number 1. To which chemistries is a Cavalier poem by A. Marvell, B. Lovelace, C. Crewe, D. Herrick? Answer is A. Marvell. Next question. Lucid, a remarkable classic play observing three unities of time, place, and action, was written by A. Johnson, B. Cornell, C. Middleton, D. Dryden. Answer is B. Cornell. Next question. Hesperides was composed by A. Marvell, B. Dunn, C. Vaughan, D. Herrick. Answer is D. Herrick. Next question. In which play of Ben Jonson Shakespeare acted? Every man in his humor, A. B. Every man out of his humor, C. Volpone, D. Woman in Love. Answer is A. Every man in his humor. Next. Morse and Cardboard are the characters in the play. The Silent Woman, B. Volpone, C. The Alchemist, D. Sanithias Revels. Answer is A. The Silent Woman. Next question. Dryden produced a tragic comedy called The Rival Ladies in the year A. 1667, B. 1670, C. 1664, D. 1673. Answer is C. 1664. Next question. Which one of the following is the first compiler of an English biography? A. Bali, B. Tanner, C. Leland, D. Mackenzie. Answer is C. Leland. Next question. The Way of All Flesh is a drama, novel, short story, essay. Answer is B. Novel. Next question. The legend of King Arthur and his Knights of the Round Table was first of all recounted in English in Lemon's Brat, B. Lilly's Ephesus, C. Tennyson's Idylls of the Kings, D. Macaulay's Friends. Answer is A. Lemon's Brat. Next question. Who wrote Mori Encomium? A. Erasmus, B. Mallory, C. Escham, D. Moore. Answer is A. Erasmus. Next question. Butler Hudibras is an attack on female sex, Puritanism, aristocracy, male dominated society. Answer is B. Puritanism. Next question. Jimmy is a character from Dryden, Arnold, Butler, Johnson. Correct answer is A. Dryden. Next question. In Absalom and Acetophil, Dryden directed the satire on A. Shaftesbury, B. Monmouth, C. Shadwell, D. Marvell. Answer is B. Monmouth. Next question. Pope was born in the year 1668, 1682, 1678, 1674. A is the correct answer. 1668. Next question. Who wrote Satire Against Virtue and Satire in the Geste? A. George Herbert, B. Joseph Hall, C. John Oldham, D. Dryden. Answer is C. John Oldham. Next question. The line much malice mingled with a little wit is from the Medal, the Beat, the Dunsed, C. The Hint and the Panther, D. Hudibras. Correct answer is C. The Hint and the Panther. Who is the first to make use of the historical method of criticism? Sidney, Pope, Dryden, Arnold. Correct answer is Dryden. C. L'Allegro and Second Penseroso are poem by Milton, Shakespeare, Shelley, Keats. Answer is A. Milton. Next question. In Milton's poem on his blindness, patience is Milton's friend, father, servant, inner voice. Correct answer is D. The best of Dryden's satirical poems is Absalom Astrophil, Asteroidex, Annus Mirabilis. D. None of these. Answer is A. Absalom and Astrophil. Next question. Essay concerning human understanding was written by Jeremy Collier, B. John Locke, C. Butler, D. Dryden. Answer is B. John Locke. Next question. Dryden makes a comparison between Shakespeare and Ben Jonson in preface to the Fables. B. The Essay of Dramatic Poetry. C. The Medal. D. The Hint and the Panther. Correct answer is B. The Essay of Dramatic Poetry. Next question. Novel Numbers and Hesperides are two volumes of poems by Hendrik B. Ben Jonson, D. Eliot, C. Donne. Answer is A. Herrick. Next question. In which poem Thomas Carew invites Celia to float the giant horror? A. Ask Me No More. B. The Rapture. C. To Celia. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. The Rapture. Who wrote the two lyrics Blood upon a Wedding and Why So Pale and On Found Lover? A. Robin Hood. B. Shelley. C. Aesop. B. Suckling. Correct answer is Suckling. Next question. The name of Aesop is connected with fables, supernatural stories, blood, satire. Answer is fables. Next question. Ode of Weight is poem by John Addison Cowley Pope. Correct answer is Cowley. Next question. Which is not a characteristic of Marvel's poem The Garden? Sensuousness, optimism, meditative mood, D. Gloom. Correct answer is D. Gloom. The definition of love is a poem by Shakespeare, Keats, Marvell, Lovelace. Correct answer is Marvell. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.